Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to walk mount a skateboard. This will be a full tutorial for beginner skateboarders, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have this skateboard and I'm going to show you how to walk mount it. So I'm going to enter the camera frame and I'm going to turn my screen so I can see exactly what you all see, okay? Now, if you hear some noises, I do apologize. I'm doing a little bit of construction in the area behind my house, but you should, I have a very loud voice, you should be perfectly fine hearing me. So walk mounting a skateboard is actually fairly simple. Now, what I consider to be walk mounting is when you're walking and then you hop onto it. So I'm not talking about a drop in, which is when you like jump onto it. I'm talking about when you can just walk onto it, okay? And that's the key there. You're gonna practice on grass at first, okay? So what you're gonna do is hold the skateboard like this. You wanna make sure you're not anywhere close to the trucks because, you know, these are gonna end up on the floor. So hold the skateboard just basically at the tip of the nose over here, okay? And you're essentially gonna walk forward and you're gonna put the skateboard down, okay? And you're gonna practice on grass first, then I'll show you how it looks over there. You're gonna put the skateboard down, and as you put the skateboard down, you want your front foot to end up on the front set of screws, okay? Because you don't wanna be too far forward, you also don't wanna be too far back. You wanna be sturdy on the skateboard. So your front foot is gonna end up on the front set of screws, and the back foot is gonna end up a little bit in the center of the tail over here. So it's basically gonna look like this. When you're walking, you're gonna walk forward, and then you're gonna put the board down, front foot on those front screws, and then end up with your back foot on the center of the tail. And essentially, when you put your front foot on those front set of screws, you're gonna glide, right? You're gonna glide onto them. So you're gonna practice on grass first. It's gonna look something like this, okay? Just like that, very simple. And when you practice on the road, or not the road, but on concrete, it's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks like over here, okay? And start slow and then obviously work your way up. Just like that. Very simple. Okay, I have a very little area, a very small area to work with right there. I'm going to show you one more time. I'll do it a little bit more smoothly. But essentially, you don't have to drag the skateboard, but when you're learning, you definitely want to drag it like I just showed you right there, okay? So once again, it looks something like this. Okay, you're walking. That's it. Smooth as butter, okay? And that's basically it. That is how to walk mount a skateboard. Full tutorial for beginner skateboarders. Really easy to do. Just practice on grass first and work your way to the flat surface, whether it's a skate park or whether it's a pavement or a parking lot or whatever it is. But yeah, really easy to do. And yeah, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.